Here comes the fish head. Don't just buy it and make soup. Do it like I'm doing today, and you'll be fine. To make our guangdong road. The first thing about the new brand's signature dishes? First, we'll cut the fish head in half. After that, we'll chop it. It can be cut into small pieces. Already. When you're chopping, don't chop it too big, try to. This is a smaller piece. Click here to see how to cut it piece by piece. It tastes so tender. Slide Q. The sauce is rich and flavorful with a hint of fishiness. The fish head wasn't chopped off properly. Why did the blood come out when we first soaked it in water? The fish head you cook at home always has a very strong fishy smell. That's because you didn't do the step properly at home. Let's do that first. Individual. Cut off the fish head. Wow. Today's fish head. 3 pounds. It's very hard. Look at the bones. Here's the fish head. Let's chop it up. This is our time. Oh, remember, you absolutely must put it in water and use water. Soak it at this time. Our simple scooping removes that. Sometimes I think teacher Huang's chopping skills are pretty good, though, given the fishy smell and animal-like odor. No order. Give this a like to show your support and encouragement. Come on, friends. Friends, let's do a little cleaning. After cleaning, we must dry the area thoroughly. After draining the water, our fish head won't be soggy. Fish head, After draining the water, I'll teach you how to marinate it. Please pay close attention. I suggest everyone save this quickly. I'm afraid you'll forget. Let's marinate. Making it is very simple, friends. First, prepare. What is it? Minced garlic, fermented black beans, minced ginger, and scallions. Our main purpose is to remove fishy smells and enhance flavor. If you add salt at this point, then you must have more. Add a little bit of salted fish, egg, meat. For meat and fish, it needs to be quite salty, so add a little more salt and some white sand. Add a touch more sugar and the freshness of matsutake mushrooms. A little bit of old smoke. Dip it in its color to increase the appetite, then add a little of this, which we call oyster sauce. Just a little bit more of this. What sauce? Use oil to stir it. Mix well at home. It's best to marinate it. What kind of food would taste even more appealing if fried for about 10 minutes? Huangju is here every day, sharing some simple things. This is a delicious and easy to make home-style dish that I'd like to share with everyone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Thank you, everyone. Come look at this color. Look what I have. Isn't it beautiful golden yellow? It looks so beautiful. If you want our fish to retain its moisture, we definitely need to join our what kind of dry starch? If we're talking about starch, then we can a little more. Let's mix it evenly like this. Okay, so next, I'll ask everyone to get ready. Please make sure you watch carefully, okay? So, what do we prepare at home before we cook chicken? Prepare some side dishes. This little tidbit is also very important, my friends. We can prepare at home. What should I order? Onions, ginger, garlic, and me. We'd like some more dried shallots. What? Minced ginger? We'll just put it down and slowly. It smells delicious. We'll stir-fry the seasonings until fragrant. After frying the fish, we'll put the fish head down directly. You must spread the fish head out. Oh, don't overlap them if they're together, otherwise, the higher-ups won't be able to protect each other. The rest got mushy, so we're at home. You must keep this fish head at home. When you spread this out, this dish is it's very famous. Everyone definitely needs to learn it. Oh, wait a minute. Squeeze it out, and I'll tell you it's so fragrant. It's especially delicious. Many people find that the fish head they cook at home is watery, right? So everyone can, in mine. Let's take a quick look around here. Then, this material also needs to be placed on top, like this. Put it. Open this. At that time, what can we do? Just put the lid on. A ring of wind-blown oil like this. If the wind and oil on the surface of the fire are all around, don't turn it on so high, maybe medium-low. How many minutes should we cook it? 8 minutes is enough. Now, let's give me some side dishes. I mean, it's very simple, just make some scallions. As for scallions, we do it like this. We will divide. It will be released in small sections later. After the pot, we'll take this place. Just a few chopped scallions, and they look so pretty. Thank you, everyone. I've been looking here for so long. If you haven't liked this yet, please give it a like to show your support. Thank you, everyone. Pack it up. Okay, then our fish head will be ready in 8 minutes. Let me show you. It smells so good. You see all sorts of colors. Call me pretty. Finally, sprinkle with chopped green onions. Baked fish head in a clay pot is that simple. You'll learn it. Have you learned it yet? Hurry up and learn it. Like this post. I'll add one more for you guys to see. Isn't our Taiwanese version tender and cute? Wow!